welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look, this wash and go look that you guys seen in my first YouTube video. So I'm just going to jump right into it. The things that you will need is a toothbrush and a comb, edges part, and then I have my oil. I have my Jamaican black castor oil and my wild growth hair oil. Yes, a spray bottle. I'm using the Xtreme Gel today. I have a cream pudding, just a little sample because I didn't have anything here. Some Gorilla Snot. I have some clips for my hair and some pins. I used to pin the side. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so let's get started. So as you guys can see, I used a t-shirt to dry my hair. I have clips. I'm sectioning my hair into different sections. I've noticed when I section my hair into different sections, it is easier for me to work with my hair and to manage. It also helps me make sure that the product is being distributed evenly. I'm doing the lock method, the liquid oil cream. My liquid is water. My oil is wild growth oil and black Jamaican castor oil and the cream of your choice, and then I have gel. So right here, as you guys can see, I'm using water to wet my hair. After I wet my hair, I'm going to finger detangle it as well. Making sure I'm getting my ends towards the bottom. Look at that, shrinkage is real. So I'm using my Jamaican black castor oil and I'm putting that on the ends to making sure that the moisture is sealed. And I'm using the wild growth oil and I'm massaging my scalp. Listen, I've noticed when I started massaging my scalp, that's when I started to see a difference. You have to massage the scalp to make sure you are promoting hair growth. So as you guys can see, I split the bottom section in half and I'm going to start using my cream. So as you guys can see, I'm working my way in there, and look, just me putting the cream in, you can see the definition of my curls. Look at that. Look, bow, bow. So yes, after I put the cream in, then I'm going to put the gel. I'm working the gel throughout my hair, getting those ends and getting those roots. So I'm going to repeat this throughout my whole head, so stay tuned. So now that I'm at the front of my hair, I make sure to put extra cream on my edges because I know I'm going to put extra gel on top of that. It's to make sure that my edges just does not dry out. Alright, so now that I'm finished with half of my head, I'm just making sure the gel and the products are throughout each strand. Look at that heat damage, oh my goodness. But I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. So I'm done with this side, now I'm going to repeat the same thing to the other side. Alright, so now it's time to make my part. I'm going for a side part in this video. I'm just trying to make sure this part is perfect, and later on you will see me clean it up. Alright y'all, so I just finished my wash and go. I was showing you guys earlier, like I have heat damage, but once that dries up, it's going to curl up. You don't even notice it when it dries, but I'm still doing like the mask to bring it back to life. But yeah, alright, so I'm going to start off with some Gorilla Snot. I'm just going to take a little bit. I've noticed that with the Xtreme Gel, it does not hold my edges. I need something stronger. So what has been working for me is the Gorilla Snot. So I'm just going to take it and put it along the part. That's what gives it that, like, you know, that fresh look to me. And I'm just putting it around my edges. Sloppy, but I'm going to get the brush and then smooth it out. That's how I be putting that extra cream on my edges, because this gel, I know I'm about to put this heavy gel on my edges. So yeah, so I'm just gonna smooth that out. Some days I'll be doing like Some days I'll do like a braid or a little twist. Today I'm gonna do a little twist on this side. I don't know how to do baby hairs. Maybe my good sis could teach me how to do some bomb ass baby hairs. She has a channel, by the way. I'll see if she can do that for y'all. But yeah, that's how I do my edges. It's white, but it's going to dry clear. But like so. Just smoothing this out, brushing my edges in. I love that, like, that wet look. I love it. If y'all want me to do a wet look, I got you. But to make it sure it stay looking wet, I got you. But this is how it looks. Y'all like that slow-mo? Okay. So now I'm just going to get some bobby pins and I'm going to pin it. I'm just going to get a little small section from this part, like just split it in half. And then I'm just going to twist it up, like a little twist. Yeah, this is my go-to style for my wash and goes, the other side part, because I love how it looks when it dries. And if y'all want to see a video of it when it dries, let me know. But yeah, that is my wash and go. I'm telling y'all, this is going to dry white. As y'all seen in my first video, my welcome video to YouTube, yeah, this was this. Y'all gonna see, well, y'all see me again. Yeah, so I love it. As y'all can see, this side is curling up. Sometimes I like to take some oil. This is the black castor oil, so it's thick. It's real thick. That's what it's, ooh, look at me. Just look at me doing the most. So yeah, I'm going to take some of that. It's real thick. The Jamaican black castor oil, and just put it on my hair to seal that moisture. I love, this is my look. So yeah, that's the finished look. Please comment down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Make sure you go down there and tell me what y'all want to see. See y'all later.